Alright, so today is Travel Data BILT, and I put out a poll on YouTube asking people if they want to see kind of vlog style content during the event. So here we are. 70% of people said yes, 30% of people said stick with tutorials. So real quick, I want to insert a little clip here that's a tutorial for Dynamo. Did you know that if you have a node selected in Dynamo in 2.12 or older, and you have it selected and you go to the search bar and you type in a search and you mess up and hit the delete key to delete a word in the search, it'll actually delete the node you have selected. So use backspace when you're in the search in Dynamo 2.12 and older. Newer versions, the dark mode fixes that. So if you're here for tips, there's a tip for you. Pretty cool. So throughout today, we're just going to be getting to BILT, getting checked in and all that good stuff. So if you want to join along, feel free to watch the rest of this video, and yeah, thanks for checking it out. Staying at the Marriott, so this is the walk over to where the conference is, so let's see how that goes.